want my lemon?
Because you're sour. No one likes lemons.
Bollocks, mate. Lemonade, lemon drops.
Got a sore throat?
Lemon meringue pie.
When was the last time you ate a lemon meringue pie?
Lemon drizzle cake?
I'm sorry, are you talking about lemons? I have the case.
Well, that's great.
Is it?
Yes.
What's the catch?
There is no catch.
There's always a catch.
Get off the train.
Lemon? Where's the briefcase?
Oh, it's that shit.
The case, Lemon. Go get me the briefcase.
It was just here.
Well, it's not anymore.
You need to find the person who took that case.